Namaskar, my dear friend. Myself, DP Angwar, Director, DP Forensic Lab, former Assistant Director and at HOD Physics and Cyber, CFSL Chandigarh. I once again welcome in my YouTube channel, DP Forensic Lab. In today's video, I will discuss about forensic utility of CCTV footage. So, actually, what is CCTV footage? CCTV footage stands for closed circuit camera television. And CCTV footage is a compressed video recording device. It is like a video recording, what it is in the compressed form. So, actually, what is a utility? Forensic utility. So, if we talk about the forensic utility of the CCTV footage, it is very helpful in the forensic investigation or crime investigation to answer the question of 5WH1. Whenever we are talk about the crime investigation, this formula come in the mind. So 5WH1. What it means of 5WH1 means first W, what happened? Which type of the crime is happened? Whether it is a murder, whether it is a suicide, whether it is an accident. What is the nature of the crime? Now, where it happened, the place where it is happened, and who was involved in the crime, who is criminal, who is a culprit, who involved in the crime, and fourth, as why it happened, what is the motive behind this crime, and fifth is when it happened, time and date. So this is a 5W and 1H. As to how it happened, the crime is occurred. What, how, what tools, what weapons are used in this crime. So for the analysis of the CCTV footage, the answer of these questions can be given scientifically. So this is a very much utility of the forensic utility of the CCTV footage. So if we talk about the first CCTV footage, human identification. This is used, CCTV footage are used for the human identification. And from the CCTV footage, human identification can be done in the two ways. Number one, using facial features. What is the facial features of the person or the criminal? From the analysis of the CCTV footage and the specimen photograph. And another techniques for human identification is gait analysis. So using the gait analysis, we can identify the person. So these are two techniques for the human identification from the CCTV footage. Now, another is the vehicle identification. Vehicle can be identified by the deciphering of the number, registration number plate of any vehicle from the CCTV analysis. By the enhancement, enlarging the number, if the number plate are can be visualized, and by the number plate the vehicle can be identified. Another way of the identification of the vehicle is a physical parameters. Every vehicle, even in the same model, may be different in the design of the outer parts. Maybe the bumper or any other things. So on the basis of the physical parameters, the vehicle can be identified by the analysis of the CCTV footage. Another is a building or the object identification. Any of the object can be identified by the physical parameters. If we saw the house in any residential area, even they have constructed in the similar manner by the same company, they don't match by the physical parameters. The physical parameters may be different or is found 100% is different. So, if the CCTV footage or the video is available of any house or any maybe other object, so this suspect vehicle, the suspect object or the house can be identified by the comparison of the actual photo of the house. Another use of the CCTV footage is speed determination of a vehicle using the simple formula speed is equal to distance upon the time. Distance can be measured by taking the two reference point from the CCTV footage. If the vehicle is running, take the 2 point reference point, this and this A and B, measure the distance while visiting on the scene of site, and then calculate the time. What time is taken by the vehicle from this point to the this point A to B, and this can be calculated using this formula. Total time is equal to number of the frames traveled in the WB distance upon frame per second. The complete detail for the determination of the speed of the vehicle I have mentioned or discussed in a video which is already uploaded in the YouTube channel. So, another utility is it is a real eyewitness. Person can be tell a lie, eyewitness if the person is, but CCTV footage is a real eyewitness. Time verification also. Suppose any crime or accident happened, actual time may be determined by the verification of the CCTV. Suppose one accident is occurred and the owner of this vehicle is saying at this time, suppose 11:25, I was not there in the spot. I was somewhere else. What if the CCTV footage is available of this event or accident? On the analysis of the CCTV footage, you can fix the real time. What is the actual time? So the time verification. Another is a crime scene reconstruction. If the CCTV footage of any accident or any crime activities or any mishappening is available, then the accident can be reconstructed in the very good manner or very accurately. If the CCTV footage or if data is not available, the reconstruction of the scene of crime is totally impossible. And if any way the CCTV footage or any data is available, we can construct the scene of crime very accurately. Another is the cause of the machine failure. Suppose in a factory, there is some mishappening is occurred. So now how to determine whether this mishappening or incident is a intentional or is a natural? It may be a machine failure or the human can do something wrong intentionally. So by the analysis of the CCTV footage available inside the factory, you can fix the responsibility or you can find out the real cause of the mishappening. So this is a importance I have highlighted the CCTV footage. The CCTV footage is very important in crime investigation. as well as is also is a real witness or real evidence, what it should be analyzed forensically. I will discuss in the next video how this is important. Forensic analysis is important for accepting any type of the CCTV footage. What it is a fact is a very helpful in crime investigation or even the judicial system. So, my dear friend, you think if this is a slightly informative, please subscribe my channel DP Forensic Lab and also add some comment. Thank you.